Assalamu alaikum students, good morning. This is your English class today. Open your English textbook. As we had already started the new lesson number 8, the hare. So today we have to read the next page of this story. So let's come on page number 90. Come on page number 90 and mention the date and day above this paragraph. So let's start the reading. As already we had discussed in the yesterday lecture, this is a story about the hare who actually wanted to eat the juicy cabbages of the blacksmith, but blacksmith already, you can say, make a plan that no unwelcomed visitor allowed to come in the fields of the vegetables. Okay, so this is, you can say, take the example of unwelcome visitors like rabbit, hare. Okay, so let's start the reading. Breathless from fear and with his tail between his legs, the wolf whispered in the fox, "Who is this beast? What is going in our forest? Ask him, my dear, whatever, so politely." Now you can see here. Now this is the fox, and he actually going to very fear from, or very scared from the hare, and he is whispering with the fox, "Ki we have to ask this creature, who is this beast?" अब उनको यकीन नहीं आ रहा था कि this is a simple hare, because you can see here the look of the hare. It's look very funny and also very terrible. Okay, "Who are you, my good man?" the fox inquired, "and where are you from?" Actually, who inquired this about hare? This is inquired by the fox. The hare leapt higher and shouted more fiercely. Leapt mean, you can say, उछलना, बहुत ऊंचा jumps लगाना. "Now I am the wood demon, master of the forest. The lion king of the beast bade me keep order in the forest and punish wrongdoers. You silly fox are the first I shall deal with. Hurr." Okay, you can see here. Now यहाँ पर जो हमारे पास here है, he actually want to scared the fox कि आपको अब मैं जो है पनिश करूँगा. I am the, you can say, उसने कहा कि मैं जो the lion king of the beast है, उन्होंने मुझे ये ऑर्डर किया है to punish the wrongdoer. So you are the wrongdoer, silly fox. So I shall deal with her. उसने कहा ये सबसे पहले मैं तुम्हें पनिश करूँगा. The hare leapt even higher, kicking his legs and scattering dry leaves on the ground. अब जैसे जैसे वो हाई जंप कर रहा था, you can see here, and also you can see कि कैसे ट्रिक्स के साथ उसके जो ड्राई लीव्स थे ना, वो ग्राउंड पे गिरते जा रहे थे. उसके ऊपर जो टार की वजह से लीव्स जो थे वो उसकी बॉडी के साथ चिपक गए थे. The wolf and the fox took fright and ran back to the forest. Now they both, wolf and the fox, you can say, ran away from there and go back to the forest. The hare back to the thickets and could not stop jumping for joy. In time the branches brushed his coat, cleaning off all the dry leaves. So you can see, students, this is a very lovely way to drop off all the leaves from the body of the hare. तो आपने देखा कि कैसे हेयर ने अपने तमाम जितने भी वो थिकेट्स अब क्या थे, थिकेट्स का क्या मीनिंग है आप देखें. अब उसने उन बुशेस जो उसके साथ अटैच हो रही थी, जिनमें वो जंपिंग कर रहा था, तो दैट्स वाई ऑल द लीव्स ड्रॉप, और उसकी जो बॉडी थी वो बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गई थी. एंड नाउ ही रियली एंजॉयड. ओके, सो दिस इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट द हेयर. सो यू कैन सी हेयर. नाउ यू हैव गिवन हेयर द वर्ड banks and the word opposite. In the word banks, you have given here some words with the meanings. You can see here, I also mentioned for you here homework with the date and day. Do your work very neatly. You have to do word opposites with them. First of all, you have to mention the chapter name, and then word meanings, and then word opposite. This is your homework. And one thing more, at the end of the chapter, this is a message for all the students. You have to do the reading of this chapter thoroughly again by yourself. This is one of the interesting story. Okay, and this one is you have to fill on the book. Word banks and word opposite. This is your homework. Do it very neatly. Allah Hafiz, take care.